What up, YouTube? We on the last little hurrah before we go to break it down for paint. About to go to Classic Thursdays. Y'all see, man, that Maz motor sounds so good. But it's super smooth. I love it. So, we gonna ride along today. I'm gonna show y'all the car. And I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright, we out here. Classic Thursdays. Go show it off one more time. Hopefully we go ahead and have a good show. About to fill up. We got everybody out here in the lot already. I'll show a few cars around here so y'all can see what we got going.
Sound like it's okay, like some on this side, baby. Some on this side. AC on the inside, AC on the outside. Oh, it'll be alright. It ain't that bad. I think I've been here. I come here every Wednesday. That's crazy. Oh, young nigga.
Y'all see it, don't take long to get packed out. We're about an hour in. Just about all the spots gone. So we got 2 more left. But I mean, look, man. If you in anything nice, clean, old school, come pull out, bro. 6 to 9 every first Thursdays. What up, man? Rain and scared everybody off. Hopefully just a little sprinkles. Man, got the interior stripped out. Hurt my heart seeing that one. But hold on. I just want to make sure we got plenty of room So we can get that color on there. We ain't gotta worry about no overspray nowhere. Get everything out. That way when PC go do his thing, he can put color on everything. So I'll probably take the bumpers off before we go. I'm gonna get them re-chromed. Go get bumpers re-chrome bumper guards. Hopefully I can find this little piece, but I actually think they're in really good shape. They just need a little clean up. Gonna hurt my feelings to lose it for another 2 months, but we going to SEMA. We gotta be 100. Gotta be 100. And I'll check in a minute. Got them all off. So these go head off the chrome. New impact strips. Get all that cleaned up. Get all that overspray off of them. But yeah, man. Strip down, man. We about to go up to Milwaukee. PC customizing. Boy, Pito. I'm gonna let him de-trim it so I don't fuck nothing up. But then we'll send it off to the trim lady. Let her get these all cleaned up. Go send the seat belts off to get refurbished, so we'll still have OG equipment. Just gonna make sure the color match. Then I'm gonna take all the carpet out and all that shit out. New padding, sound deadening. And we'll go forward from there, man. That boy got to work. Get those redone, new panels on them, BCG body. Huge shout out to her. Y'all need any G-bike parts, make sure y'all go check out. I'll probably drop her link in the section. Hopefully the final time we gotta bust this thing down. So if you pay attention, that's not the body. That's just reflection and, you know, we painted this car in 8 days last time. So this time we want to give them a little time. Door handles on there, blocks, everything. Only thing we'll keep on there is probably this.
Brake. Off the brake. Left signal. Right signal. Push the brake. Let go of the brake. Turn off the signal. Turn off the lights.
Hey, guess this is my last little ride, man. We're about to go put on the trailer. Get on up to Milwaukee. PC Customs, we took off a little bit. Got it all stripped down. Tail lights out. So, cold start. Alright, off to Milwaukee. Gotta do our little checklist. Looks so pitiful. Alright, she loaded. I'll be up in Milwaukee next week. Give y'all a breakdown of what we're gonna do. So, appreciate y'all checking in with me. And we'll be on to the next. Cleaning it up for the weekend. Still crazy, all the engraving in here. Shit, cleaning in some fresh built ones. You say you gotta bring it out once a year. Got the Regal here, all the trim off. Send that off to trim lady. Already picked out the color, so time to get started. See if y'all can guess what we gonna go with. Say you'll give us a cold start. Twin turbo supercharged. That shit hard. I like the light. Oh yeah, he clowning. get some rolling footage of this one. Yeah, this one here is super nice though. That flip. Crazy depth in that purple. You get to see it real good there. He called in the Godfather favor for me, so huge shout out to Bag. Huge shout out to Bag. This one here is gonna be nice too. Sammy's already got them all QA1'd out. Hit his frame, did all the notch. Big wheel suspension kit. If you ain't got it, you need to get it. Got the big bears. I like that finish on there. 28-inch 40s. So I think once they get it in, they go adjust it. You know, once they put music in and all that stuff. Get her tucking low on the back, but you ready? Show y'all a few pearls that he did on some motorcycle parts, but I just wanted to close it out and say thank you for checking out the video. I didn't record a regular closeout because we did too much running our miles, but I will be back in a couple weeks showing y'all the updates on it, what color that we picked, and the color combo that we gonna go with. Hopefully y'all like it. Check in with me in a couple weeks, and I'll see y'all in a minute, man. I appreciate everybody that subscribe it, share it, and follow the build along the journey. Holla.